Welcome to A Tale of Two Pens, actually a turn of two pens. This is a story of finishing strategies. Looking at both of them, it was hard to tell which one finished with which procedure. I went sandpaper all the way to 12,000 with micro mesh and Ceosoft, or I went sandpaper all the way to a buffing wheel combination of Triple E and then wax. Trimmed the barrels and got it ready to go. I'm going to put both of them on the lathe at the same time, back and forth, and let you see the progress for both blanks. Shaping with roughing gouge, an easy wood tool a little bit, and a skew chisel. I was on the fence both ways about which I was preferring to get the best tool and begin sanding, but we use a little bit of both back and forth on both blanks. Created the profile and then began sanding using radial and axial strokes. Make sure that you're relieving all of those sanding marks which are left with both directions. Went all the way through the grits and was getting to a place where I was happy and ready to remove things. As I went to the green, I had taken the pink off and I was ready to go to the buffing wheels with it. So I went through the buffing wheels with a pink, while here we're looking at the green, the 7 grits there from 320 to 1500 and the micro mesh from 1500 to 12,000 while we finished up the buffing wheel, and went then to make sure we had a Hut Ultra Gloss polish on both of them, and there we were completed. And looked through the microscope, couldn't tell the difference. The sanding paper all the way through seemed to have a few more marks, and maybe that was my sloppiness. Either way, they were beautiful pens, and it's a great kit to work with. Thank you so much. Tune back in, subscribe, like it. Thanks for being with us. Bye now.